Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to text behind an object in Premiere Pro. First, bring your video clip into the timeline. Next, create your text layer and place it directly above your video. Make sure the text is positioned exactly where you want it to appear behind your chosen foreground object. This initial setup is crucial for the effect to work seamlessly, ensuring everything aligns perfectly before we proceed. Now, duplicate your original video layer. Drag this new copy to the very top, above your text layer. Select this top video layer and use the pen tool in the Effects Controls panel to draw a precise mask around the foreground object you want the text to appear behind. Take your time to ensure accuracy for the best results. With your mask created, it's time to refine it. Adjust the mask feather to create a natural blend, preventing harsh lines. If your object moves, utilize the mask tracking feature to automatically follow its motion. You can also fine-tune the mask expansion to ensure a perfect, seamless fit around your foreground element. Finally, double-check that your text layer is correctly sandwiched between the two video layers. Play through your entire sequence to catch any mask imperfections or tracking issues. Once everything looks perfect, you are ready to export your video. This technique offers a powerful way to add depth and visual interest to your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.